Bored of your outdated living space? It's time to transform it with RenoExpert. At RenoExpert, we believe every space can be transformed into something extraordinary. Imagine walking into a room that perfectly captures your style and meets your needs. From the first consultation, we listen closely to understand your vision. Our team reviews designs, takes precise measurements, and offers renovation solutions tailored just for you. Next, we dive into the renovation process. Whether it's demolition, painting, installing flooring, or handling electrical work, RenoExpert takes care of every step. Our commitment to top-notch quality means you can sit back and watch the magic happen. But what truly sets us apart? It's our use of innovative tools and modern design solutions. With advanced 3D visualizations and other cutting-edge techniques, we bring your ideas to life with ease and precision. Now it's time to see your vision come to life. Watch as your space transforms into a stylish, functional masterpiece. The look on our clients' faces says it all. RenoExpert makes renovation dreams come true right here in Singapore. Ready to start your transformation journey? Let RenoExpert turn your outdated spaces into modern living space. Contact us today and let's make your dream home a reality. RenoExpert, where dreams meet design.